Just got these 18 inches Walmart quiet fan. This is supposed to be very quiet. Look at the model number right there. FB45B5. 18-inch wall fan. So I'm going to be mounting these on the walls. I got the pack that comes with two. And they're supposed to have a yellow goldish color. Look at them. Looks pretty cool. We're going to put it together right now, and we're going to test one of them because it's like 100 degrees in my garage. So it's, how you say, pretty straightforward, but this is what the instruction looks like. Like, that's it. You know what I mean? Not very graphical, more like written. You got to read all of this. It's telling you to remove the blade nut. So that right there. So let's go ahead and remove that. Okay, we gotta put that to the side. That releases this. I think that's just garbage, but we'll see. Keep it to the side. Next, we have this, and we know this is the front, so we're gonna leave the front for last. But right now we're gonna remove this top cover here. So guess what? The whole thing spins, so you gotta hold it. Oh, it's pretty hard. Oh, and in its opposite direction. So make sure you going clockwise in order to remove this. Next, you want to do this. You want to put this in, but before you do that, remove this. Like I said, the instruction is not graphical at all. It's written, and I hate to read. So here's how we're gonna do it, just like that. And I'm gonna try to line up. There's two holes on the bottom and the top, and we're gonna try to line up. I'm gonna put those up in the top. So just like that. Let's see. Had it. There you go. Right there. Got it. And then we're gonna screw it. Make sure you got it the right way. It actually shows you. It shows you how to loosen it or fasten. So that is easy. There we go. We're gonna tighten it pretty nice. I don't want to go too crazy with it, but right there. And next, the blade. And the blade's got a little mark. So you see that mark? So you gotta make sure it sits right in between that. You're gonna look at it and you're gonna see it. There we go. That's literally what spins it. So you could confirm that it's good. Whew, looks pretty cool. And hold the blade and go counterclockwise until you get it nice. Okay, that is nice and sturdy right there. Look at that. This thing is sharp, man. This will cut somebody's finger off. It's not plastic. It's literally like a aluminum type of material. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this cover off. So yeah, as you can see right here, it's showing you it will cut your finger off. So never test it while it's open. We're gonna go ahead and put this on, and this, you want to pay attention. It's got a little screw right there with a nut. So you want to make sure that that lines up in the bottom. That screw is actually going to go in that hole. So I'm going to loosen it up and put it right in the hole and hold the nuts in place. There we go. Got it. Not yet. Almost. Okay, I got it. Not going to go too tight because now I want to clamp the sides in. So make sure they all open, and open all of them. Oh, the top one goes in first. So, yep. And then open the sides. Other side, once it's lined up nicely, close it. There we go. One more to close. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. It's kind of like one of those things you can figure it out as soon as you start messing with it. Yep, this fan is all set. Now I could tighten this up more. Very tight. So next is just a matter of plugging it and test it. We're gonna do that right now. Okay, now I got the power cord ready to be plugged in. As soon as I plugged it in, I heard a little sound. I'm gonna grab it by the neck because we wanna test it. So let's turn on the thing right here, power on. Ooh, look at that, it's already spinning. And it's got a setting that it's on 1 right there, 1, 2, 3. Just point it, oh my God, very quiet. You don't hear any noise at all. And it feels good. I'm like so hot right now. Okay, so I'm inside of my shed. It's so freaking hot in here, man. But I'm mounting the first fan right inside of the shed. I already got the plate in here. I put it right in this area. Anywhere else is a problem, but right here should be fine. I might have to remove that out of the way, but I think we're good right here. I didn't want it to be too high, so I think this height's pretty good. So we're gonna go ahead and mount it. Okay, it's fully installed and very quiet. Okay, so here's the final piece. Once you mount your unit, so you just gonna show you. Once you mount it, right, it goes right through. You're gonna see the hole back here, and this is what you need final. It should come in your package. I didn't see mine until I was almost done. This was like out of my package, in the box, laying around. So you just screw that back there, and that's what keeps it in place. So yeah, you put it on and screw it, and you get it really tight, and this will stay in place. If you don't have it in place, it's not gonna fall off, but definitely recommend tying that in place just so it stays nicely. And that's it. So as far as the remote control, speed, on and off, timer, and then OSC, which lets it go side to side. And that's it, guys.